The Weather Authority. This is a severe weather alert.
Good evening, just about 5 o'clock now. I'm meteorologist Justin Esterly from the Fox 56 Weather Authority. Just another quick update on some of the storms roaming around the region. A lot of flashing boxes for us, some severe weather in play. We've got the main storm that we've been talking about that had a little bit of the rotation with it. Now moving into northern parts of Pulaski County near Eubank. Not seeing as much of rotation with this, not seeing as much strength with this, but still in the severe warning box from Crab Orchard down through northern parts of Pulaski County. This goes for the next 15 minutes. It's moving to the east at about 35 miles an hour, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and some quarter-size hail, likely at least inside the main band of that storm as it continues to move through. The other spot that we've been keeping a close eye on down there in Wayne County will continue to move its way through. That warning is still in place. I'm sorry, Whitley County. I don't know what I'm thinking. 5 o'clock here is when that's set to expire, so they may either add on to that or it will just be allowed to expire here as the 5 o'clock hour rolls on. One other spot here in northern parts of our area that just passed by Sadieville and is heading towards Barry, now moving into Harrison County. We've got a nice little strong cell here, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and some large hail at quarter size. Also working in with this one, heavy pocket of rain. All this purple here, best chance to see some of those larger hailstones falling out of that. It is working into northern Harrison County. Right now it's moving more northeast, so it might just miss Cynthiana. They just trimmed off the back end of that too, so they're updating things as we continue to watch these storms tonight. And those are the three things that we're really keeping an eye on. In Frankfort right now, we've got a strong storm moving in, but not severe warned at this time. It's become quite a bit of scatter here for us, and it will continue to work towards Frankfort along 64 and State Highway 60 there, and it will continue to give us some heavy rainfall and some lightning, thunder, of course, and maybe some smaller hail with that cell. So things are still active, but not as active as before. We'll keep an eye out for a couple of these other storms to develop here tonight. We'll watch to see how this storm that is in Southern County continues to develop. That one looks like it's rather strong and will continue to work to the northeast too. So we have this whole line moving in for us the rest of this evening. A severe thunderstorm watch in play for you until 8 p.m. and we'll continue to watch how that plays out for us the rest of tonight. And that's clearly not the watch, but either way it's in play for us until 8 p.m. tonight, and we'll have updates as we go on. So more details, of course, to follow as we get into this evening. We'll check back in with you soon as more storms develop.